Stage 1. The submerged artifact, a relic hidden by time, waiting to be reborn. In the spring of 1901, Elias Stadiatis descended into the abyss, unaware of the treasure below. Amidst the wreckage of an ancient Roman galley, he spotted a bizarre, calcified lump. In 1901, off the coast of the Greek island Antikythera, a discovery was made that would rewrite human history.
The order was given. The mystery was coming home to the surface.
What looked like a common shipwreck relic was actually an impossible piece of technology.
Locked inside this stone-like shell lay gears that shouldn't have existed for another 1,000 years.
Gears in a wreck from 60 BC. It was an archaeological impossibility.
Stage 2. The cleaning and analysis, peeling back the layers of 2,000 years.
A single scrape revealed a glint of bronze and the jagged teeth of a gear.
Painstakingly cleaned, the mechanism revealed a labyrinth of precision-cut wheels. The journey had begun. The world's first computer had been found. A mechanical language of the stars.
They counted 30 gears. The mathematics was perfect, the geometry undeniable.
The computer was housed in fine cedar.
A face that showed the path of the sun.
It could pinpoint the sun's position with absolute certainty.
Calibrated to the rhythm of the heavens.
Faint inscriptions emerged, words describing the sun, the moon, and the stars.
The silver orb mirrored the phases of the moon in real time.
It calculated moon phases, revealing the irregular rhythm of the heavens. The device could predict solar and lunar eclipses years before they occurred. It even tracked the 4-year cycle of the ancient Olympic Games. It was a mechanical calculator, a computer built long before the dawn of modern science.
By turning a single crank, the user could track the sun's exact position across the sky.
In Athens, the world's finest minds gathered to witness what the sea had surrendered. Set the date and watch history unfold. A machine that could calculate the future and the past. The masterpiece was complete. A digital mind in an analog world.
Stage 3. Decoding the celestial gears.
Input the date, and the machine reveals the heavens. It predicted eclipses years before they darkened the sky. The orbits of 5 planets, captured in a box of bronze.
Even the sacred Olympic Games were timed by its gears.
A computer that didn't just track time, it understood it. Precise calibration was the key to unlocking the stars.
It captured the strange, backward dance of the red planet.
The sun's journey through the zodiac, tracked with a turn of a hand.
Complex algorithms written in bronze gears centuries before the silicon chip. A masterpiece of engineering, ready to guide the ancient world.
Stage 4. The fall into the abyss. A legacy lost to the waves. Bound for the heart of Rome, the machine began its final voyage. A calm sea hid the wrath of the gods waiting ahead. A storm of biblical scale tore the ship apart. The hull shattered, and the computer faced the cold grip of the Aegean. 2,000 years of progress, sinking into the silence. Down into the abyss, where light dies and history is forgotten. It settled on the sand, a genius trapped in a watery grave. Knowledge buried. Found. Decoded. The first computer lives again.